I'm here with my Pookie. We're gonna play a horror game. The Curse. My poor ears. Okay, let's begin. Let's begin. Wait for me. Wait for me. There. I was able to join. Yeah, I came in. Yeah, but like, what is even wrong with the picture? Yeah, it's. I'm gonna skip. Is this 0 and 0 for me? So I asked, what does she have that I don't have? So I asked, what does she have that I don't have? Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Oh my god. The fuck? You're scaring away my fans. I gotta seal the honeymoon. There, did it work? Did I seal the honeymoon? Honestly, are you okay? Hating me, is that all you do? Breakfast to dinner? I can't even flipping join. Like, what the fuck? I think we gotta rejoin. I think I gotta rejoin. Honestly, are you okay? Hating me, is that all you do? Breakfast to dinner? Okay, I'm joining you again. But like, the picture in like when your position in line 1. This is your position in line 1. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Honestly, are you okay? Hitting me. Hitting me. Is that all you do? Breakfast to dinner? Welcome.
Elaine,
Can you finger?
Elaine, can I rate the last question out of 8 out of 10? Rate this question.
8.
Men du kan också göra så. Den,
Okay, I joined. Okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. Okay. Yeah, I'm Sasa Lily. Yes, babe, it's Sasa Lily. Girl, we came together somehow. But like the pictures, it low-key reminds me of Alistair's bendable neck. Yeah. We're cooked. Okay, now it says loading, and now I clicked skip. It says 1 out of 2. I just get this happy little rush. Okay. For the best experience, use headphones. I literally have headphones on. Yeah. Yeah, and I just gotta fix like the sound of my headphones.
Yeah.
Okay,
wait a sec.
okay, what are we even supposed to do?
Wait. I'm trying to get my headphones like connected to my little beautiful iPad. I don't know. I guess the dog was.
I don't. What are we even supposed to do? Hey, wait for me. Hey, new friend.
Oh fuck.
Was I supposed to do that?
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Where is that
Stop it, stop it, stop it,
Ah!
stop it.
We got it.
Oh my god!
We got hit by a car.
The curse. Yeah, it's a curse. Probably that guy we would get dragged over like 100,000 times, so that's probably the curse.
It gets
Oh hell
worse
to the
every
no.
night.
Are we a boy?
I think we are a boy.
I don't wanna be a
Waiting completed. Please wait. Okay,
Why are we so short? We're as tall as the bed.
okay, let's...
By the way, you can get big back jump scares in this game.
Yeah. I can't go there yet.
Okay. The objective is go to the... Did you hear that?
What?
What was that?
Fuck off.
What the fuck happened? We gotta go upstairs.
Me jumping from the
Where was our room? I think is open.
Jag pallar inte att prata engelska bro.
You fell for it.
Okay.
It wasn't in here.
Check out this sound. Where the hell? Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop
Um,
it, you little gooner.
I'm gonna look in.
Oh, hey, I'm
Oh! What the fuck? Close the door. Close.
I can't!
Close.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Just like going close. It literally was banging. Flickering. I get goosebumps right now, gang. Not joking. You wanna go back to the sound?
Check out the sound.
That was fooling me.
We gotta go all the way. I think it was only a picture.
What's the painting?
It was only a painting.
It's under my bed.
Oh no, we gotta check. Go back to your room. Don't close the door.
Diary. Now I remember.
Oh.
The reason I came to my parents' house.
You almost closed it on me.
I wrote everything
Please.
That's why
I want to go in the bed.
What the fuck?
maybe I could find it.
I was just
I
joking
could
until
finally find some
now.
answers. Then the accident occurred and I lost my memory.
I lost my
You did
memory.
not lose your memory. No, we didn't. No, we
Search,
didn't.
search for
No,
diary.
we didn't.
I found a key.
But it was just because we came in that dumbass car crash, so that was bad. Men det finns väl i lådorna. Om man håller inne. Vi håller inne.
But I found a key.
Bam.
Hey,
I
and
found
me.
the
Is that
diary. I
other?
think. Hello. I think I found the diary.
Couldn't make a mistake.
Vad gör man nu?
Search for diary.
I don't understand.
I think you
Yeah,
gotta
but I
choose.
don't understand.
I think you gotta search like the whole house.
Oh, hell to the nah.
Yeah, because I found a key.
Stop it. I don't leave here alone. Stop.
Oh, the lab is
Hey,
click.
I ain't going there, bro.
Should we go downstairs? Should we go downstairs,
You
sister?
can do that. I will stay here. I will stay here. You can do that. I will stay here.
No. Bitch, you're coming with me. You're coming with me. Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are.
Let's go downstairs because I feel more safe down there.
We haven't really looked downstairs, but what is these?
Oh, I know. I'm so smart. I'm so Sigma.
Wait, don't turn on the lights. Run!
Hell to the nah.
Oh no! Hell to the back!
Stop it. Oh my god. No, silly.
Sophie! Was that
Sophie. Who the hell is
that
Sophie?
really you?
I don't know who's Sophie. Run!
Girl. Men it still says search for it. Och det är ändå inte så jävla här läskigt. Men jo, det kommer få mardrömmar. Tjo.
Vi kommer få mardrömmar.
Och jag vill vara ensam. Jag vill vara ensam. Tjo.
I'm gonna go downstairs again. Psych, I'm going up again.
Let's go downstairs.
Okay, let's
Okay,
see.
now it's almost safe in the room. I don't feel safe at all up here.
Let's go
And not downstairs
downstairs.
either. Only in my room.
I'm just gonna open. Why do we have so many creepy pit insert tape? A tape is needed.
If we get a jump scare now,
Well, where do
if we get a
we?
jump scare now, I'm gonna scream.
A key is needed to this door. Find a key for the basement. Wait,
Oh, let's go in the kitchen.
find a key for the basement.
There's a key.
Yeah, but I learned.
Basement key. I have it.
Yeah, let's go to the basement.
You were the one who found it. I were the one who took it. You were the one who found it.
Yeah, we did the best
I'm
teamwork.
giving you some credit, and you should be grateful.
Open.
You should be grateful that I found it. What am I?
Oh, should we go down? Let's go.
What is going on?
The door closed!
Crazy.
The door closed!
This doesn't
The
make
door
any
closed!
sense.
I used to. you. I hate 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 you. Ugh. How are you not scared to go sleep?
Wait. Grab parents' room key.
Stop.
Wait. Oh.
Open the basement.
I only
You're supposed
found.
to open the basement. Oh, the basement is open, girl.
Is the basement open? I mean, I found parents' room key.
Is it just me or has the floor changed?
What? I think we
It
can.
looks like the floor has changed.
Yeah, it looks like that. But I
Stop
think.
it.
I think
Alright.
this is our parent.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh no.
Scared.
Okay.
Why is she looking like that though?
It's Sophie.
Sophie is scary.
Wait, this was parents' room key.
I said that why you should not
Girl,
open the basement. Wait, what
should we go down the basement again?
current object? Current object is go to the base. Oh no, open the basement. But we already opened the basement.
Yeah, I'm going down again. Even though I'm all alone right now, I'm still in basement. Wait, what if that wasn't the basement fully? Should we go into the parents' room?
Girl, I'm staying up here.
Where are you? Oh, there. But girl,
I am staying up here. I don't want to do this. Why did I ask you to do this with me?
but girl, I have a key.
Okay.
Like, I don't know where this goes. Why does this picture look so real? Open!
It's you. Sophie, stop giving me jump scares, bro. I don't deserve this, Sophie.
This is parents' room.
Oh no.
We
I think Sophie hates us.
yeah, probably. Wait, there's a band-aid here.
Stop it. Take the beanie.
I can't.
Let's go to this room, to the rooms over here. And oh, angry.
My parents' room. I haven't
Come
been
here.
in this room since
I'm
I
stuck.
left.
Okay.
Just can't
Why are
accept
there
the
so many
fact that they're really
crosses?
gone.
It won't budge.
It doesn't
Celine,
feel
it says
really
help
right.
there. It says help. It
It
says
feels like
help.
they're still in this
Where?
room with me, watching me.
Oh, my head. There you go.
Grab tape.
Yeah, and we're gonna. It's literally. It was a white man that was behind me. He was white
Let's.
with black.
My head.
It was a tall,
Sophie, are
skinny,
oh,
white
my
man
head.
with like black
In danger?
spots on him. Heading in there.
But I have a tape.
Okay, play this tape on the cassette. The fuck is a cassette?
It's a cassette tape.
You know what cassette is?
Yeah, I know, but like,
Very good English.
It's in here. Insert tape. Okay.
Where?
In the TV room.
Where?
Downstairs.
I'm coming.
Possession by a wicked entity
That's my
is an
father's
unusual
voice.
or an altered state of
What is going
consciousness with
on?
associated behaviors which
It's
are
like
reportedly caused by the control of a human body. The entity, though,
that's the kitchen. Wait,
possession is the
it's
first
in here.
demon's plan. It is said that there are those who return to our world,
Oh,
seeking to resolve unresolved matters from
This is
their
where the
previous
cassette
lives.
tape was going
Things
in.
get much worse for the host. From the moment of a first contact with a malicious entity,
Possessed?
it's already too late. When a demon attaches itself to a human being, it becomes a parasite of sort. If you want to break the link, I'm afraid this isn't a simple matter. The best way to do that is to obey and help the demon find what it seeks. In the first stages of possession, the demon manipulates its host with visual hallucinations and voices in the mind, destroying the sanity of the host. This is how demons fully exert their insidious control.
This can't be true.
I'm not
I'm not
possessed. I
possessed.
better go to sleep.
I better go to
whoa,
sleep.
wait for me, bro.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Mm-hmm. Go to sleep.
Yippee.
Eh, 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 eh,